Hello everyone, she is Pranavi of 5th standard. Hello Pranavi. Okay Pranavi, now I am going to take one small board test for you in mathematics. Okay, so before I move ahead with the test, I want to ask you one simple question. Will you please tell me what are the 4 basic arithmetic operations that you have been learning?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
Okay, very good. So these are the 4 basic arithmetic operations. Okay, so you know that each of this operation is having a symbol and parts. Yes? Okay, so will you please label them on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead. So first you have to write the parts of addition. The symbol of addition is plus. Okay, I already solved them. You don't have to solve. You just have to name the parts. Yes. Please increase your speed of writing, dear. Okay. Very good. Addends. Sum. Very good. Okay, you continue writing. I'll explain. Okay, so the parts of addition are addends, sum. Okay, so the numbers to be added are called addends. Okay, each addition may involve 2 or more addends, and the answer of addition is called the sum or. Okay, now coming to the parts of subtraction. Okay, so the number at the top is called minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is called difference. The spelling here is CE, Pranavi. Difference, CE, not T. There is no T there, CE. Okay, so these are the parts. See, you can easily remember by a short form my super dat. M for minuend, S for subtrahend, and D for difference. Okay? Right. Very good. This is correct. The number from which we subtract is called minuend. The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction is called difference, and the symbol is minus. Okay. Then next, coming to the parts of multiplication. Yes. Multiplicand. P-L-I-C-A-N-T. Multiplicand. P-L-I-C-A-N-D. Multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Yes. And the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. ER, not CER. Yeah, ER. Some spelling mistakes are there, but you're going right. ER, multiplier. Okay, and the answer of multiplication is called product. Please write it there. Product. D-U-C-T. Spelling mistakes. Okay, very good. Then next, coming to the parts of division. Come on, do it. Parts of division. Yes, what is this called? Divisor. Please write it there. Divisor. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number with which we divide is called divisor. The answer is called quotient, and the leftover is called the remainder. Yes. So these parts every first, second, third, fourth and fifth class child must be familiar with. Okay.